Today guys is June 20 and I have a dentist appointment today around 3 p.m. and I am getting ready because we are heading there early because we have to meet my one friend from Appleton. It's been a long time that we didn't see each other. And then Jim is going to meet some guys, his friends, the husband of my girlfriends, and they're going to have lunch. So and then after that we're gonna just walk around at the mall and window shopping kasi walang budget. Yeah, so ayan lang guys, and ayan, mag-ready na ako guys, and we'll see you in a little bit. So, maglagay ko ng kunting makeup tsaka lipstick. And then, I will see you after kung mag-makeup. Okay? Hi guys! I'm done. I'm ready to go. But we're not quite ready to go yet. But I am ready to go. Yeah, so ayan lang yung aking talaling guys. Ayan. My lipstick. Ayan yung aking suot. Ayan. I got this denim jeans from Kohl's. And my floral tops from Kohl's also. And then my purse. Ayan. I got this from thrift store guys. This purse. I like it. So, and guys, and I will see you later. Hi guys, we are leaving now. The weather, it's kind of, I don't know. Jackson. Yeah. Do I have to put this in here, Jim? I guess I do. In Appleton, at the mall, we are heading to that store. Discovery.
Mom, what? Look at Discovery.
Hi guys, Jim is making grilled chicken for our supper tonight. It looks so good. And we are outside because that's almost done.
Two in the middle are almost done. The other ones have lots of blood on them.
Guys, luto ng aming chicken. Now it's time to eat dinner. Woo, yummy. Yummy, yummy. Chicken, chicken. Bye. See you next time.